So let's go through the red lights that you can get on your Tassimo Suny. So if you're getting a red light on the bottom, that's the descaling light. Now you need to check out my other video on that one as I take you through the steps on what to do in order to descale the Tassimo. But on the middle light, if you get a light there on the water tank, what they're really saying on the Tassimo website is that basically you need to refill the water tank and make sure that you've reinserted the water tank properly. Then if I put the water tank back correctly, you'll then see the red light has actually gone off and that the float in the back of the water tank is not stuck. So if I open up the water tank here, here's the float here. Now this float needs to go up when the water's added in order for the machine to know that there's enough water in it. If that float is still stuck down the bottom, it will think that there's no water in it. So you need to make sure this is right at the top and is floating. Then you need to make sure that you sit the tank correctly in the back of the machine and it fits snugly and the back lid fits down as well. Now, if you've got a red light at the top on the cup symbol, the Tassimo website says that basically you need to check that the water tank again is inserted, which is a strange one, and then again check that the water float is floating, and it should then prepare your hot drink. But I had this red light come on the top here and I could not get it working again, and it had nothing to do with the water tank or the float, and I'll tell you about that now. Now this could be a problem you're having. So what happened was I was making some hot water come out of the machine for a kind of hot drink, so it wasn't using the pods, it was just using the yellow disc that comes with it in order to get hot water out of it. Now I was making a normal drink, but I got a bit flustered, and for some reason while it was working I ended up opening the top lid. Now that's not a good idea because there's hot steam, hot water coming out of here as well. And then once I tried to restart my drink, I was getting a red light on the cup symbol on the top, and whatever I did, turn it on and off, redid the lid, reset the water tank, nothing was helping. What ended up helping was that because I'd opened this halfway through, there was lots of water inside here. So what I needed to do was just get a cloth and then basically dry out all the water inside here with the cloth, make sure it's nice and dry, and then start again. And then you should find that your red light on your cup symbol will go off. So that's worth checking in case you've got the red cup problem on there yourself. If you've still got problems after that and none of those solutions worked, then please contact Tassimo directly via their website for more help. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.